Hallo und willkommen zum 12. Video von 3 Minuten Deutsch. Today I'm going to be talking about the basics of how to put together a German sentence. Keep in mind that this is called the basic German word order, which means that these are going to be present tense sentences with only one verb, and pretty much it's the basics. I'll get more complicated in future videos. Today I'm going to be focusing on statements. I'll talk about questions in a different video. Statements generally start with the subject. The second thing most often is the verb. Third thing is generally the direct object, if you have one, and then you can find the time, manner, and place. Ich kaufe einen Hund. Subject, verb, direct object. Ich kaufe einen Hund heute. Subject, verb, direct object, time. If you have more than one time element in a sentence, the bigger one goes first. Ich kaufe einen Hund heute 3 Uhr. You can also take the time element and move it just a little bit further forward in the sentence and make it so that it's in front of the direct object. Ich kaufe heute einen Hund. I'm buying a dog today. There's a little bit of flexibility in there. Time is exactly what you would think it is. It's time. This could be a day of the week, a month, a season, any of those type of things, also a time of the day, or basically anything that tells you about the time in which something occurs. It can be set up in a prepositional phrase, or it could be just a standalone word. You can also say things like jeden Morgen, jeden Montag, or something like that. Keep in mind that if the time element is not in a prepositional phrase, it's going to be accusative. That's why we say jeden Montag. It's accusative and masculine. Sometimes this won't really matter, but if it does, you need to know that. If you want to say something like, someday my prince will come, that's still technically time, but it's using the genitive case in German, so we'll leave that one alone for right now. Ich kaufe einen Hund heute mit meinem Vater. Subject, verb, direct object, time, manner. When I say manner, I actually mean the way in which something is done. That's a lot broader than it sounds. This category would include any tools or utensils used in the process of doing whatever is happening in the sentence. It also includes adverbs as how something is being done, but it can also include people with whom you are doing this activity. The easiest way to think about this category is, if it doesn't make sense that it's time or place, it's probably manner. Ich kaufe einen Hund heute mit meinem Vater in der Stadt. Subject, verb, direct object, time, manner, place. Place is probably the easiest of all of these because if it involves a location, it's place. If you are going to or coming from a place, or if you are staying in a particular location, that's all place. I know I haven't done all that many example sentences in this particular video, but I think the best way to learn this is to practice it. So with that in mind, go ahead and write some sentences down in the comments down below using all of these elements. So you need a subject, a verb, direct object, time, manner, and place. Write at least 3 sentences using all of those elements. Make sure that you put them in the right order, because that's kind of the point. I'll let you know how you did in the comments. Das ist alles für heute. Danke fürs Zuschauen. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss.